Hello everybody, welcome to module 2 of Essentials of Microsoft Excel. In this module, we're going to open and save our Excel document. This will be our beginning step in creating our Excel document for this series. So without much further ado, let's take a look at how we can launch Microsoft Excel. Now we're going to move down. In this aspect, I'm going to use the search tool here. I'll click on the search tool and then search for my Excel. So the filter tool has given me the Excel here. I'll click on it to launch Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is launched. I'm on the start screen here. So I'll select the blank sheet because I want a blank sheet here. Select the blank sheet or the blank workbook. Have my blank workbook selected. This is my my workbook here, and then I have sheet 1 also created for me. I can add more sheets, I can subtract, I can add more sheets as much as I want, up to about 255 of them. So this is my blank worksheet opened. Then I'll go ahead to save this worksheet. So I'll go to File, move down to Save As. This gives me the Save As screen. I'm going to browse for a location where I can save my document. Browse here, click on the browse, then at the left side or the left pane here, I'll click on the desktop, and I want to save my work on the desktop. Okay, and also I want to name my application as monthly budget. So I'm going to name it as monthly budget here, and then the save as type is Excel workbook dot XLSX. I'm okay with that. That's the format for Microsoft Excel application, so I'm okay with that. Therefore I will leave that there, and then click on save. So if I close this application and go to my desktop, my monthly budget application workbook is created here. We have nothing in it as at the moment, but this module is to make us practice what we have learned in module 1 of this particular part. Therefore, this is the file we will be using in the rest of the series. We'll build on it as and when we gain a new bit of skill. So when we learn about data entry or functions in Microsoft Excel, we come back here and then enter it in this particular workbook. So this is what I have for you in this video, and in our next video we'll look at data and its types in Microsoft Excel. So join me as we dig into the fundamentals of Microsoft Excel. It's going to be very, very educative. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon to be notified of new uploads. Also, like this video if you find it very educative and leave a comment down below. See you in the next video.